Hey there, happy Sunday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz, taking a deeper dive into the forecast because we have big changes up ahead. Today, Sunday, is going to be the drier day of the weekend, so you still have plenty of drying time to get out, get any of your Sunday fun day plans taken care of, or any of your errands as well. Temperatures will be milder than where we were on Saturday. We'll also have some lingering showers out there before we get more rain into Monday, more so into the back half of Monday for interior areas. And I'll show you on the futurecast coming up, but showers will linger Tuesday and into Wednesday. But then later this week and into next weekend, we are cranking up the heat as we get a really strong ridge of high pressure that's going to build over the Pacific and just dominate our weather pattern. So let's talk about now, because we have ongoing showers, very, very light out there, more so to the north of us, but these are going to continue to taper off as the day goes on. Any showers that linger would really favor the mountains as we head into the back half of our Sunday. And once again, Monday, increasing rain, basically from southwest to northeast. Tuesday, lingering rain, but we could have some steady, heavier rain developing within the convergence zone. And then Wednesday, a couple of lingering showers, but that's the start of a drier and warmer weather pattern. There's also the chance we get a thunderstorm or two, both Monday and Tuesday, but a better shot for it will be on Tuesday, especially within that convergence zone. So lightning, gusty winds, maybe quick downpours, and maybe even some small hail will be possible. Again, that's Monday and Tuesday. It's not a guarantee, but it will be something we're watching out for. Temperatures will be cooler on Monday, so 50s, 60s, and then into Tuesday, gradually warming up. But we really don't even feel the big temperature climb until later in the week and into next weekend. Next Sunday and next Monday look to be the warmest day, the days, the hottest, you might as well call it. Model guidance continues to show the potential for mid and upper 80s, maybe even warmer. So let's take you outside where we have a good bit of cloud cover this side of the Cascades. Not seeing any activity from the camera and Squim as of right now, but we have some snow at Paradise. So our snow levels came down to about 4,000 feet yesterday, and so we had some falling snow, a lot of it melted, but Paradise, it's still locked in place. And then east of the Cascades, we have some sunshine. Taking you outside, this is as of about 9:30, and you see a good bit of cloud cover looking toward the mountains. The mountain is not out, but you also see some sun breaks, and I wanted to show you at Paradise. And you see a lot of people maybe going for a hike. I don't want you to be caught off guard, but you are going to run into some winter-like conditions up in the higher elevations. High temperature-wise, so area-wide today, generally in the mid-60s. There could be a few spots warmer than that, especially if we get some good sun breaks. But all in all, we're still going to have temperatures below normal. If you're headed up to hike, this is for the Cascade Passes. Snow level today about 5,000 feet. So it is going to be on the cool side, especially the higher you go. You're going to likely run into some lingering snow, maybe on the ground, maybe some falling. But again, snow level about 5,000 feet today. Now overnight, we'll dip down to the 40s and 50s. We're mostly cloudy. The rain really holds off for interior spots until at least the early afternoon, especially the evening. But some models are hinting on the potential for an earlier arrival, so we'll have to fine tune the exact timing. But all in all, the coast will get wet first, and I'll show you in just a sec. But temperature wise, we're going to be well below normal in the 50s and 60s. So let's walk you through the futurecast. This is this afternoon. Partly sunny skies, maybe a few sprinkles favoring the mountains. And then we get into the overnight hours, especially into early Monday morning. So this is later in the morning, mid to late morning, and you see how rain already covering most of western Washington across the Olympic Peninsula to about Puget Sound. But watch what happens. It slowly moves inland. We could get a couple of showers to the northeast, so think Whatcom County, maybe Skagit County during the day, but it's really not until later in the evening and then late Monday night where we get widespread steady rain across all of western Washington. Then we get into the overnight hours and you see these pops of yellow. That's indicating some heavier rain, so some quick downpours, potentially even lingering into your Tuesday morning commute. This is when we could get some convergence zone activity. So Tuesday during the day, but you see rain coverage is significantly lower except within the convergence zone. And you see potentially some mountain snow there as snow levels may get forced to lower, possibly to about 5,000 feet or even lower than that because of the convergence zone. But this is also where we'll have the greatest chance to get some thunderstorms on Tuesday. So within that convergence zone, especially if we get some of those sun breaks. Then Wednesday, we'll start to dry things out as that ridge begins to build. Through Tuesday afternoon, this is just one model run, but it's showing the potential for some heavy accumulating rain. The potential maybe up to 1/2 inch up north, and then for Puget Sound all the way to the south, maybe up to the coast as well. 1/2 inch up to maybe an inch or so. Locally higher amounts are a good possibility, especially where that convergence zone sets up. Now beyond the 7-day forecast, so this is from June 13th through June 17th, so 6 to 10 days out, the Climate Prediction Center is showing widespread spots, so through western Washington, not just above normal temperatures, but well above normal temperatures. For Seattle, about 70, 71 is our average high during that period, so we're talking potentially much warmer than that, maybe 10 to 15 degrees warmer. And this is why. Here comes this ridge building by the middle half of the week. It continues to amplify and all the way into Saturday, into Sunday, and you see how it just sticks around for several days on end. So this is going to lead to multiple days with temperatures well above normal. Now this is just one outlook. So this is showing the potential for, actually this should definitely be 81 on Saturday, Sunday even warmer than that, but that's just one outlook. So you can see it reflected here. So on Friday about 75, Saturday 81, then Sunday into Monday, that's when it looks like temperatures will peak for everyone because of that ridge. So we'll have to fine tune the forecast just how hot we'll get as we get a little closer, but just know that that potential is certainly there into next week and as we head into Monday for the World Cup game, the World Cup match. This is the one that we should be looking at. This one's accurate, again, showing that potential for mid-80s on Sunday, maybe even warmer than that. It's Monday as well. This is just for Seattle, and then Tuesday lingering, then temperatures starting to moderate a little bit. Again, this could always change, but just know again, as we head into next weekend, early next week, it's looking quite hot here in western Washington. Remember, you can always find the latest forecast and a deeper dive into the forecast on King 5 Plus, our YouTube page as well, king5.com, and the free King 5 app.